Hey guys, welcome back. So I am coming on to do a layout for the Mercy Tiara Kit Club, and I'm using the Adventure Awaits kit. Guys, this kit sold out so quickly, and I am sorry to everybody because it's exquisite, totally exquisite. Like, you can go super travel-y, right? Adventure Awaits, which is what I'm doing on this layout. But guys, they're the most, I can't wait to do the next layout already. They're the most beautiful, this isn't in the kit, this is like an add-on. They're the most beautiful, florally, like saturated colors for other things. There's so many fun things. There are so many fun things to do. So, on this one, let's talk this through. I want to do a travel one, again, because I was feeling the travel vibe. And this paper right here with these colors, I think is amazeballs. It is called Pack Your Bags. It is from Simple Stories. Pack Your Bags. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the 4x6 elements. And I love, love, love this stripe. Now, along with that, these little cars. This one's called Where to Next. This is the back side of it. Guys, I might, okay, use this. Oh, but wait, this. This we're gonna have a little fussy cutting event with. So here we go. I'm having some thoughts on this. This is my photo. This is my son and his fiancée. She is wearing a pale yellow shirt. We've got a little bit of a pale yellow in the sunset, I would assume it is. Super pretty. They were on Tybee Island. That's where they were. Okay, so love that. Now, once again, who am I? I think I'm going to use cardstock for my background, right? I do have some of this left. I'm going to go ahead and map my photo with that, just so you know what I'm up to, right? Sweet, that'll get done. Now with this, let me get my trimmer, because I am of the let's just go for it and see how this turns out party. And then, got to spend some time fussy cutting something and all of that. Okay. Let me go ahead and just give this a trim, all right, let me go ahead and just give this a trim. So we've got our background, which is going to be on white. I can't even. Then what I think I want to do is I want to take this, so many of these pieces are great, but one has to sacrifice, right? Let me get my branding strips off of these, and I'm just going to do some pretty darn simple tearing technique and have it, I'm going to have it embrace, kind of shimmy in to the photo. Yeah, that made zero sense. So I guess we're just going to have to watch me do it. Now, all right, branding strips off. You know what I should do? Where's the one that I want to use both? Okay, I'm going to go like this. I'm going to cut it slightly-ish in half-ish, not fully in half, so that I have like 3 pieces of paper. Now, we have this. We have lovely photo that, needs to have its, I'm trying to keep you guys from getting so much glare because it's glary. So on this side, I'm thinking I want more pattern paper on this side, so like a thicker amount. Not that it matters, but like this is going to be a bit of the star of the show. Then I think a little bit of this sticking out, right? And then a little bit of this to finish it up. I think that's kind of cute. Or, wait, do we have enough to say or? In theory? No? Yes? No? Okay. So what I want to do is a technique I like to use when I'm going to be using a lot of pattern papers. You guys don't shriek. Don't shriek. It's all going to be okay. I like to give it a tear if I can, all at the same time. And the reason being is because my tears line up then. Okay. Even this is pretty. Then again, I love pattern paper. Okay. So then what we'll have in essence, and of course I'll trim it and I'm going to do the same thing over there. Then I'm going to have beautifully, perfectly matched goodies like all the way to there. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, give it a nice little bend and scuff, and it's going to be glorious. So I'll do that in a second. I just thought I'd show you what my plan was. Then from this Vicky Bouton Where to Next one-way ticket, what I want to do is fussy cut out the yellow ones. Because what I thought I would do, this has a lot of color, right? The rest of, or the majority of the rest of my embellishments and whatnot, I wanted to concentrate on yellow because she's wearing yellow. So for example, on our fab sticker sheet from Simple Stories, we have Happy Place. We've got some yellow sunnies, a mostly yellow camera, stuff like that. So I thought I'd really push the yellow thing. So I just have to fussy cut a bunch of those out, get these pieces on, matte this in white, and I'll meet you right back here. All right, guys, I have these pieces down. I did go ahead and decide to grab the Coast to Coast 6x8 paper pad. This is like an add-on you can get. And there's this off-white kind of like tan, well, it's not even tan, it's just off-white, like almond colored with the gold on it, which I love. So I went ahead and matted my photo with that because I was keeping that kind of basic to the back. And then I cut out all these tickets and then, oh, but wait, there's more. In the same paper pad, there's this piece here that is so cute and so metallic. And I went ahead and just fussy cut out the different license plate wordy bits, all in yellow, because you know we're doing the yellow thing. In our kit, we've got a puffy yellow heart. I love these, they're so squishy. If you're a tactile person, let me tell you. And then I grabbed a bunch of the stickers that are in yellow. Come on, in yellow. This, why doesn't it, there you go. That is chipboard, and that's from the adhesive brass. Now I also have this yellow one that I will include, you know, who knows, I'll add a few, but I have that yellow one on standby. Oh, but wait, in the foam stickers, we have Let's Go. Reminds me of a Hertz commercial. Anywho, we have that. So I have a lot of things that are totally going to be able to work. Oh, guys, and then, oh, but wait, you know, in the main kit, we have both of these die cut sets. And I thought this would be super cute. This one reads Caught on Film, which I can use this piece, but it's not, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to use this. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and make a quick shaker with our confetti mix and this yellow piece. And then I'm going to try to get this little vellum birdie in because there's lots of yellow on birdie. So I have lots to do with that. So I have to go ahead and make my shaker. I think that's super cute. And I wanted to work on, I know that's bright right there. I wanted to work on how I want to do my tickets. And I'm thinking of just giving them a quick little scuffy scuff and possibly just staggering them as only yellows, because I think that's fun. Now, the other idea I could do is have them in here, but I kind of like the idea of this white having a lot of those like cute little embellishment bits. But guys, I think I'll put just a couple down here. Are there any that I could have that would work to go across? Ooh, like I could have some of these coming crosswise. Do you see what I'm saying? How cute. Like I'm just taking paper embellishments and they're becoming things. So great little cluster size there. This I can have a little bit more license with because, guys, is that like the worst cut ever? We might have to do away with that. Because we have so many more, but I want them staggered yet in order because that makes sense. You know, like controlled chaos. And I love it. I think it is so fun to use these little bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Oh, got to stick with odd numbers. Okay, so I have that. I need to do my shaker, my little shaker. Where is my shaker bit? All right, I need to do, that's the terrible cut. Wait, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, that's not the terrible cut. I have 8, 9. So I might be able to do something. I don't know. I don't know how those are going on yet. I like the idea of my shaker maybe crossing over there, caught on film. I don't know if I want to use that or not. You know what? I think if I fussy cut it out, I'll be happier and I can pop it right there. Then we still have our cute little bits. Like this can clearly go there. We have all good. We have that. We have 2 there. Ooh. Okay, totally like that idea. sweet little birdie can come in when the time comes. Guys, I shouldn't even be doing this right now because I need to get all these pieces down. But so far, this is kind of where we're vibing. It's all kinds of yellow. I think it's super fun. I have these pieces down here, so I wanted these pieces up a little bit more because I do love me a diagonal. Phew! I was just talking like I was in some kind of a race, and I'm not. Now, we have a camera. Oh, camera's up there. Love that. Okay. Oh, guys, is that yellow or orange? Yellow, orange. This is more yellow. Although we have kind of that color. Okay. I'm going to go with this. Let's Go, I think would be a perfect title. I'll pop it right underneath here. I'll get these pieces on. I'll come back and we will assess. Alrighty-roo, guys. I have all of those pieces on, and there are a lot of little things to look at that are so interesting. This birdie before had like a closed eye. Now it's open. My camera has a very cute little shutter piece. And then, that's just kind of, come on camera, kind of like creating a period. So got that going on. I've got some sunglasses covering something that wasn't pertinent. Phew. Couple things moved around a little bit, but that kind of happens when I'm creating. Like I totally think I'm going to do something one way, and then poof, it goes a different direction. I just saw this yellow heart, so that can go on. Oop, another yellow heart. 3 yellow hearts. It's meant to be. All right, so I'm going to get these little guys on somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and pop on just a few of our confetti mix because I have them here in our shaker pocket. Then, guys, this will be done. So I'm going to have still shots to follow as I keep gesturing with my funny fingers. I'll have still shots to follow, and let's see. You can't get this kit anymore, guys. It's sold out immediately, like so quickly. Woo, come on camera. It sold out so quickly that I was so excited for the owners of this kit club. They are killing it. They're definitely doing something right. They're doing so many things right. And yee-hoo. But there's bits and pieces you can grab. People have been saying, okay, I couldn't get this, but I got these few pieces and all that. So you can still play along with us. It'll be great. I'm going to have some still shots to follow, of course. And then the link for the Facebook group, for the website. But as things go, that is that. Loved pulling out the yellow bits. Okay, it's like a colorful layout, but I still pulled out mostly yellow, which highlighted our girl Lee. Okay, that's what we have going on. Got just a couple more bits to put on, and I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. There's my people, guys. Bye for now.